Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to convert email to PDF with HTML template for HTML to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample HTML template in this demo. First, let's create a Zap. Next, select the Email by Zapier app and choose the new inbound email as a trigger event. Let's set up the trigger. In the email address field, enter the email associated with your mailbox in Zapier. After setting up, click the Test Trigger button. Now, let's add another app. Select the PDF.co app and choose the Anything to PDF converter for the action event. In the Input Type field, select the raw HTML code. In the Input field, enter your raw HTML code together with the data from your email. In the Output PDF file name field, type your desired output file name. Once you're done setting up, click the Test and Review button. Great! Our test was successful. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.